To set your phone to vibrate when it detects a water running sound in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap the setting icon at the top right. Under preferences section, tap sound types. While the alert for sound notification is set to allow sound and vibration, tap notification categories. Next, scroll down the screen. Under appliances and other section, tap water running. While the alert for water running notification is set to alert, tap the gray on off switch next to vibrate to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it states this option is on and your phone will vibrate when sound notification feature is on and it detects a water running sound near you. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.